Install your cartographer mount. When you pull off the cover, there are 2 silver screws back in here that you will take out. You put the mount there and then run your new 2.6 by 20 millimeter self-tapping screws through those holes. Mount your cartographer to the mount. You'll then have to run the cable. And I found these online to put the cable on the cable chain. And I drilled a hole in the back of my riser to be able to run it out. And then it plugs into the side of the printer. And then before we start, we're going to install the Y-axis spacers. Onto the rails. And now we should be ready.